Welcome to the Resetting Your Pre-Owned Android Phone course. In this course, we'll look at how to reset a pre-owned Android phone that might have been given to you by a family member or friend. A reset wipes the phone's memory, so it thinks it's a brand new phone, ready for you to make your own. The steps in the video will also come in handy if you plan to pass your Android phone on to someone else in the future. If you plan to pass on your phone to someone else permanently in the future, you should first reset it. This will protect your security and privacy. There are many types of Android phones. If your Android phone is a different model to the one shown in this demonstration, the steps might be slightly different, but you can still follow along. Let's get started. When a phone is switched on, but shows a black screen, we say the phone is asleep. To wake it up, press the power button. If your phone displays a start screen or asks you to choose a language, your pre-owned Android phone is already reset and prepared for setting up, and you can exit this demonstration and go to the next course called Setting Up Your New Android Phone. If your phone displays a lock screen, however, you will need to reset it. Keep watching to learn how to do this step by step. To unlock the phone, you will need the PIN number of the previous owner. Of course, you shouldn't share your PIN with others, so ask your phone's previous owner to enter their PIN onto the lock screen for you. When it's fully reset, their PIN will be erased, and you will be able to create your own PIN to keep the phone and your information secure. Once you have unlocked the phone, you will see the home screen. Let's find the settings options. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen to show the Apps screen. Find the Settings app icon, which looks like a cog wheel, and tap it to open the Settings menu. Scroll down the list of options until you see General Management. Your Android phone might call it something slightly different, but it should have General in the name. Tap General Management. Scroll down this screen until you find the Reset option and tap it. There are a few different kinds of reset. Choose the Factory Data Reset option. This reset will delete all data from your phone, including the items listed here. If you're happy to proceed with the reset, scroll to the bottom of the screen and tap Reset. Now, ask the previous owner to enter their PIN number again. If you are happy for all the personal information and downloaded apps to be erased, tap Delete All. If the previous owner set up an account with the phone's maker, you will need them to verify their password here. Ask them to enter their password to delete this account from the phone. And tap OK. The phone will restart and show the phone's logo or Android robot symbol. This part will take a few minutes. When the reset has finished, the phone will show either a start screen or a language selection screen. This means your pre-owned Android phone is prepared for setup. If you're unsure about any steps, you can rewind the video. Otherwise, you can begin the next course, setting up your new Android phone to complete the setup process. You'll find this and many other great courses on Be Connected.